الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة المائدة اليوم أحل لكم الطيبات وطعام الذين أوتوا الكتاب حل لكم وطعامكم حل لهم والمحصنات من المؤمنات والمحصنات من الذين أوتوا الكتاب من قبلكم إذا آتيتموهن أجورهن محسنين غير مسافحين ولا متخذي أخضان ومن يكفر بالإيمان فقد حبط عمله وهو في الآخرة من الخاسرين. Translation: This day all pure and good foods are made halal and lawful for you, and food of those people who had received the book is also halal and lawful for you, and yours is lawful for them, and lawful is to marry the good Muslim women and the virtuous women from the people of the book, provided you give them their dowry bridal due and live with them in honor, becoming their protector in wedlock, rather than going around for lewdness or keeping relation outside marriage or taking them as secret lovers. The work and deeds of those who reject and deny the faith will become fruitless and go to waste, and they will be among the losers in the hereafter. As mentioned before in Surah Al-Maeda, the final commandments about the jurisprudence of Islam came, and if there were any doubts because of the previous nations like Yahud and Nasara, all those confusions and those doubts were removed, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that all the pure things are made halal to you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also mentioned that the food of the people of the book is also lawful, permissible, halal for you, but it must be halal by itself, meaning if a Christian is eating pork, it will never be halal for a Muslim. Also, it has to fulfill two conditions: one, that the animal should be halal, and the other is that the animal should be slaughtered in the name of Allah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions that similarly your food is also halal for them, and it is permissible to marry the good Muslim woman or the good woman from the people of the book. Meaning a Muslim man can marry a Christian or Jew woman, but the condition is that the Muslim must pay their meher and also must marry them doing nikah and becoming their protectors in the wedlock, rather than going around for lewdness or keeping relation outside marriage or taking them as secret lovers. These are all sinful things and must not be done. The scholar says that this is the Islamic Sharia and will never change, that the Muslim men are allowed to marry Christian or Jew women. However, in today's world, when the Islam is not a dominating religion and Jews and Christians are dominating the world, and also these days the women in general are sometimes more powerful than the men, so the likelihood that if a Muslim man marries a Christian or Jew lady, their children will become Christian or Jews is high, and also there is a chance that the Muslim man himself may lose his own iman. So the scholars have said that in today's world it is better if Muslim men don't marry the Christian or Jew women. In the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that the work and the deeds of those who reject or deny the faith and don't have iman, their deeds will become fruitless and will go to waste, and these people will lose all their deeds and will enter the hellfire and will be among the people who are the losers. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhir dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.